racing. Racing just is started. Where is Rumble in front position. Escapo. Break quickly at the start. Ninjutsu, Pleasant Girl, running by the release chance. Zandior down on the inside. Enjoy the magic. Teresa's magic in the portion. Golden Square. Then next on Lani Storm. Boyo, Friendly Fire. Ho, ho, ho. Hardway Racing secondless. While Blitzkrieg is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, where is Capo? By about 3/4 of a length lead. Ninjutsu in second. Enjoy the magic. Teresa's magic. Pleasant Girl then running by the rail. 1A Boyo. Then next on line is Golden Square. Storm Hardway is on the outside. Then running by the race chance and the Friendly Fire. Ho, ho, ho. Second last while Blitzkrieg is still racing in 13th. And at the far turn, where is Capo? By about 3/4 of a length lead. Ninjutsu in second. Enjoy the magic. Moving up now on the outside. Boyo Hardway now down in fifth. Then down on the inside is Friendly Fire. Golden Square. And as they swing for home, where is Capo? Is still in hands and heels, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Moving up now on the outside is 1A and this one is Boyo. With about 100 meters up the race is Capo. Followed by Boyo Hardway, and finally it's Escapo. Second close between Boyo, then comes Hardway, Friendly Fire. Number 4, enjoy them.
Ha? Ano sabi?